In a world where every sunrise brings the promise of a new adventure, join us as we embark on a journey of discovery, where every step leads to a new experience and every moment becomes a cherished memory. Stretching along the azure coastline of southeastern France, the French Riviera or Côte d'Azur embodies glamour, elegance and natural splendor. With sun-drenched beaches, vibrant cities like Nice and Cannes, and picturesque villages dotting the hillsides, the Riviera offers an irresistible mix of luxury and Mediterranean charm. From exquisite cuisine and bustling markets to historical landmarks and breathtaking vistas, this is every traveler's idea of scintillating indulgence. After exploring the great beaches of Cornwall in the UK, we are now on the sunny shores of the warm and cozy French Riviera. A place like no other, Côte d'Azur, as the French call it, fills your heart with warmth and love. The city that is so nice, Nice is our gateway to this paradise. We are taking a flight from London to Nice, the third busiest airport in France and the busiest airport in the Riviera that also caters to places like Cannes, Antibes and even Monaco. No matter what part of the world you are in, Nice is never too far to reach. Starting with Nice, we then move around the southern coast, exploring places like Cannes, Menton, Ez, and finally the micronation of Monaco. Without further delay, let's set the boat sailing. Nice is a city that keeps you busy on your feet. With no dearth of sunshine, start your day from the Promenade des Anglais, which simply means the walkway of the English. This 7-kilometer long stretch with sweeping views of the Azure Sea gets its name from the erstwhile aristocrats of England who revelled in the beauty of the bay. Today, the promenade is a happening place with lots of pubs, hotels and walking paths. A small surprise on the promenade is the replica of the Statue of Liberty. Yes, it is believed that this is one of the first statues that the sculptor built before going on to build the statue in the New York harbor. This is also the place where the Carnival of Nice is held every year in February. One of the major carnivals in the world, the Carnival of Nice brings to the city a dash of oomph and color. Held annually in the month of February, this is a tradition dating back to the 13th century. With floats, flower parades and light shows, the city springs to its feet to celebrate the carnival, which sweeps through the city, scattering sparks of joy in its wake and igniting hearts with a radiant burst of celebration. Vieux Nice or Old Nice is a charming and vibrant district in the heart of the city. With its narrow cobblestone streets, colorful buildings and bustling markets, Vieux Nice offers a picturesque glimpse into the city's rich history and Mediterranean culture. One can explore historic landmarks like the Nice Cathedral, Opéra de Nice and the iconic Promenade des Anglais. or simply wander the streets soaking up the lively atmosphere and sampling delicious local cuisine at cozy cafes and restaurants. Whether you're strolling along the waterfront or getting lost in the maze of alleyways, Vieux is sure to leave a lasting impression on any traveler. The vibrant heart of Nice's old town, Cours Saleya, is renowned for its bustling market and lively atmosphere. Visitors can explore stalls brimming with fresh flowers, locally grown produce, and artisanal goods while soaking in the charming Mediterranean ambience of this iconic square. If you're looking to buy some souvenirs from your visit, you cannot go wrong with choices in these shops here. In the eastern end of Vieux, perched atop a hill, Colonnade Chateau or Castle Hill offers panoramic views of the city and the sparkling Mediterranean Sea. At its summit lies the Belanda Tower, a historic structure dating back to the 16th century, providing a glimpse into Nice's medieval past. Visitors can climb the tower's spiral staircase for even more breathtaking vistas. Nestled amidst lush greenery lies a picturesque waterfall, adding to the hill's allure. Offering a peaceful escape from the hustle and bustle of the city below, Colonnade du Chateau is not only a scenic destination but also a serene retreat. The Russian Cathedral in Nice, also known as the Cathedral St. Nicholas, is a striking architectural gem with its vibrant onion domes and intricate detailing. Built in the early 20th century, it stands as a testament to the Russian presence in the city and offers visitors a glimpse into the rich cultural heritage of both Russia and Nice. The cathedral also offers a detailed tour for those who are interested to learn more about the history and its heritage. The Notre Dame Cathedral in Nice, a majestic example of French Gothic architecture, stands as a symbol of spiritual reverence and historical significance. Dating back to the 17th century, this iconic cathedral boasts intricately carved facades, soaring vaulted ceilings, and stunning stained glass windows, offering visitors a glimpse into the city's religious and cultural heritage. Food in Nice is a delectable blend of Mediterranean flavors and French culinary traditions. One cannot miss indulging in the city's renowned specialities such as zoka, a savory chickpea flour pancake. The French penchant for bakery delights is evident in Nice. where bakeries and pastry shops tempt passerby with fragrant baguettes, buttery croissants, and decadent pastries like pain au chocolat and tarte trapezoid. With many attractions, shops and restaurants within easy walking distance of each other, exploring on foot is the most popular option for travelers, allowing to soak in the city's charming streets and vibrant atmosphere. Visitors can easily navigate the city using trams and buses as well. Getting around the French Riviera is equally convenient and efficient thanks to its well-connected public transportation system. A 7-day pass covering the whole Riviera costs €50 per person and can be used on all buses, trams and regional trains. Nice is delightful, but what truly sets it apart is the ease of exploring the Riviera right from its doorstep. In our upcoming video, we take you to one of the most charming small towns in the region. Don't miss the magic of lemons in the next episode. This is Shruti signing off for Saji's Travel Diaries. Until next time, travel, make memories.